Hey, what's up guys, Luke Profits. I just wanted to make a really quick video on a problem that I was having with Facebook Marketplace and how I fixed it. It's really stupid, but it was causing me all these problems, and so I'm just making this video in case you were having a similar issue or something like that. So I'd been doing all of my dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace on a separate account because my account had issues, and it wasn't that I did anything. It wasn't, it's nothing that I was really aware of. And I have Marketplace, but when I go to set up shipping on Marketplace, I enter all my information, hit next, and then, it's like, is this your address? Yes, I go confirm, and then it says advertising access restricted. You're not allowed to advertise on, you're not allowed to run ads, basically. And so I'm like, what the heck, what does this have to do with? So after doing some looking into it, I figured out what the problem was that basically I had an old Facebook Business Manager account because some other business stuff that I was, playing with a little bit. I tried running some Facebook ads years ago. And what happened was the Business Manager, Facebook Business Manager account got suspended for some reason. And I'm not sure why. I wasn't even really running ads on it. I did it for a little bit and then turned it off and had just left it sitting for forever. But because the Facebook Business Manager account thing was like, your advertising access is disabled, I can do a photo on the screen or something. I don't know, maybe I'll be too lazy to do that, whatever. Anyway, because my Business Manager account was deactivated, I wasn't able to use Marketplace because I guess that sort of links into the same system, and they saw that the account was suspended. So I was like, what the heck? So I go to business.facebook.com and I tried to click over to sort of the ad manager section of it, and notice that it's saying you can't use this, and the reason was just because I didn't have two-factor authentication enabled. Now, I guess at some point they changed the security. You have to have two-factor authentication or they kick you off. And since I wasn't using it, I never bothered with it. So it was just showing me that it was disabled, advertising access restricted. So what I did was very simply added you can add a phone number or you can use Google Authenticator or something like that. And so I went ahead and went that route. And now that I have two-factor authentication on there, I went back through to set up shipping on my Facebook Marketplace profile, click next, and bam, right away worked perfectly. And I even have a little error here. Let me just show you on the screen. See if I can do this without showing you any sensitive information. Right here, if you can read that, it says already onboarded. You've already signed up for shipping. You can now list eligible items for sale on Marketplace. So yeah, very exciting, very, very cool. And now I'm gonna have two accounts that I'm able to work with that I own, and of course, in addition to the other ones that I help people with and stuff like that. So very cool, very, very cool, and just an exciting little thing. It's stupid. Like, I was really convinced. Like, I've actually been working on a separate Facebook account for myself. I created a new Facebook, and I all this stuff just to get another way of doing Marketplace. And I've physically been selling stuff on there, trying to get some good reviews so that they'll enable me for the shipping option. But bam, this right here, that just totally solved my problem. All I had to do was go to business.facebook.com, turn on that two-factor authentication, and just totally fixed the problem in 10 minutes right there. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Facebook, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description, that go over everything you need to know to start making money online. I also have a Facebook account management service where me and my team work on your account and get it up to making several $1,000s profit a month. We totally handle everything so that it's passive for you, and you get to keep 30% of the profits, and then we get 70% of the profits. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, basically just me and my team managing your account, go ahead and go to lukeprofits.com/manage, and I'll be in touch. I also do one-on-one Facebook dropshipping training, and if that's something that you'd be interested in, you can go to lukeprofits.com/apply, and I will hit you back. I post new content on this channel every couple days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back here with another video in a couple days.